Here we are at the Villa del Palmar. This is a one-bedroom unit. When you first walk in, you've got a full bathroom here with lots of counter space, toiletries, hairdryer, and a shower, well, shower/tub obviously. Got a closet in here with the safe and additional bedding. And then down the hallway, we've got the bedroom. It's a king bed. As you can see, there's a TV right there. Air conditioning throughout. Fan in there, fan in the sort of dining kitchen area. Got a sort of apartment-sized fridge with all of the cooking amenities. Hot plate. And of course, the dining area here. And that looks to be a pull-out sofa. Another TV in here, and of course, the bedroom area, you can pull those shutters closed for privacy. We're on the ground floor here. This is room 1103, so we're pretty close to the beach. And from here, you have perfect access to pools, restaurants. Very pretty resort. And it either has the EP plan where nothing's included. You can do your own cooking, you can eat around in Puerto Vallarta, or you can go with the all-inclusive package. But there you go.